Every day in life, you will encounter countless interesting scenes and occasions. CROZ, it is a digital Lomo camera showcasing creativity, simplicity, and environmental friendliness. CROZ, created by Taiwanese paper shoot and Macao's innovative designer brand, Hyle Design. Image sensors, camera lenses, and sources from high-quality manufacturing suppliers in order to produce excellent images. CROZ's modern and stylish appearance could definitely match your daily look and serve as a great accessory to wear. Instead of requiring buzzing functions, the simple operation allows you to simply focus on being creative and capturing the views. No screen is added on, so you'll photograph through the direct viewfinder. Without complicated function keys, CROZ comes with just 2 buttons. You'll proceed turn on, turn off, shoot in 3-in-1 button, and another switch to select between different photo effects. You don't have to know beforehand what you captured on film, afterwards either, and this is what makes it so fun. The assembly can be completed with just 4 simple steps. An exclusive and non-replaceable feature about CROZ camera is the countless exchangeable appearance. Since founded in 2014, the team in Hyle Design has been devoting to explore delicate relationship between materials so that users can experience the craftsmanship through a real touch. CROZ is fun and addicting. No matter you love or hate the photos at the end, the happy accident's always worth looking forward and exciting about.